So, in the first part, we talked about fixing your thinking. Now, let's talk about the ideas that actually change how you live. Because thinking clearly is one thing, but living accordingly, that's where most people struggle. By the way, there's the part 2 of my key takeaways from Think Straight by Darius Forex. You can watch the first part right here. The first thing is something I wish I had understood earlier. Money is just a resource and we can get it back, but that's not the case with time. You may stress a lot about saving money, but casually waste hours every single day, scrolling, delaying, or doing things that don't really matter. And the tricky part, oftentimes we don't even realize where our time goes. Start noticing your patterns. Where do you lose the most time? Is it social media? Is it random videos, overthinking, or waiting for the right moment? Once you see it, you have to be intentional about your time. Set boundaries, limit distractions, be intentional, and don't waste your time doing things that drain your energy without giving you anything back in return. Because awareness alone helps you make better choices here. And when it comes to money, don't spend it mindlessly, invest it. I don't mean crypto or stocks. It can be even learning a new skill, buying things that last longer, or investing in things that boost your career, like a good laptop. And once you understand that, you start becoming more careful about both your time and your money. Also, don't buy things you don't need, especially under influence. Most bad purchases don't come from logic, they come from influence. Impulse. The second idea builds on that. Stay away from debt. Debt doesn't just take your money, it consumes your mental space. It sits in the back of your mind, limits freedom, and adds pressure. You can start with this simple rule. Save 10% of what you earn in a month and spend money on things that actually give you a return, not just temporary satisfaction. Because when money is working with you, your life is much more simpler. The third thing is something that we all carry from somewhere in our lives: regret. Holding on to mistakes, replaying them again and again. It just adds weight to your mind. And the worst part, it doesn't change shit. What does help is accepting it, learning from it, and moving on. Because mistakes are inevitable, but suffering from them repeatedly, that's optional. So instead of asking, why did this happen to me? Start asking, what can I learn from it? That shift alone adds a lot of calm in your thinking. The fourth idea is a bit deeper. Think beyond yourself. This is what gives your life meaning. Sometimes, do things for someone else's sake. Help someone in need. Contribute in small ways. Create something that adds value beyond you. Because when you step outside from your world, your perspective expands. You start feeling a deeper sense of purpose. And in some ways, it becomes part of your ikigai. The reason your life is more meaningful. And that makes everything else feel more worth it. And the last idea that ties everything together: you decide how you feel, starting from the moment you wake up. Before anything happens, before someone says a thing, you decide to choose how you feel. You can wake with a why me mindset or shift it to a try me attitude. Because at the end of the day, no one else is responsible for your life. You are. If a thought isn't helping you grow, act, or understand something bigger, it's something that is not worth holding on to. So instead of reacting to every thought, be intentional with it. Ask yourselves, how do I want to feel today? And start aligning your thoughts in that direction. Because over time, your thoughts change your mindset and your mindset changes your life. So choose. Not every thought needs to be entertained. So these were the next 5 ideas that changed how I look at my life. If there's even one idea that resonated with you, start applying it from today. Because knowing these things is one thing, but actually living them, that's a different story. That's what moves the needle. That's what shifts the boulder. Well, that's it for this video. If you gained anything valuable from this video, consider liking it, sharing it, and comment down your thoughts. If you want to see more videos like this, consider subscribing. This is Vidansh Pipre signing off.